Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the best bridges for an airdrop right now. So we are going to cover a series of projects, protocols where you can bridge one token from one network to another network. Some of them you also can swap, but like always in my videos I'm going to show you step by step and one by one all these projects and exactly why I am using specific bridges each time that I need in order to get and participate in this airdrop. An airdrop is always about maximize time, fees and energy. So each time that you need to bridge, instead of going into the same protocol, it will be best that you start using at least the ones that I am doing in this video. So you maximize your opportunities for a possible airdrop on these protocols. I'm sure that you are familiar with many of these projects, but probably also some of these you are not using it right now. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, like you saw in my intro, the first project and the first bridge that I'm covering here is Orbiter. Orbiter.finance is a URL to go to the project, and I already covered this project in the past, and this link is going to be in my post. So this is still 100% valid. This is from March 24, but all these steps are still valid in order to participate on Orbiter and the possible airdrop. Why I say possible and not confirmed? Just because it's not official announced, but I mentioned in this video and show you there a tweet from the Orbiter Twitter account where they retweet a step by step on how to participate on the airdrop from another influencer. So that for me is a big hint that they are going to do an airdrop at some point and that they are going to launch a token. Orbiter is one of the most used bridges in crypto, works really well. You mainly can transact between Ethereum and layer 2 solutions, but right now you also have the opportunity to use another bridges like, for example, the new Polygon CKAVM, you have Looperin, and you have starknet, and also you have Zksync. So this is a very nice project and works really well. So check this video and do the Orbiter airdrop. The second protocol is Stargate. This is Stargate.finance, and these transactions count for the layer 0 airdrop. Layer 0 is a project powered by Stargate. So you can check my layer 0 airdrop ultimate guide, and here you will have the link for this bridge and many other things to do in order to maximize your possibility for layer 0. But in this video I want to mention something special that maybe you are not aware, but we in my Discord have some ways to know how many transactions have been doing in layer 0, and also what is the percentage of transactions that we need in order to be on the 10% for this airdrop. So that is happening in my Discord, guys. We are managing high level of information, statistics and data. So if you want to be on top of every one of these airdrops and in many other airdrops that I don't cover in my videos, you need to go to my Discord. And also I have an application. This app is going to help you to manage multiple wallets and register and apply for these airdrops. Not only the airdrops that I do in my videos, but also you can create your custom airdrops. So check my subscriptions, because the thing that I'm going to show you right now is from my Discord, so I will bring you to all the community. You can use Stargate and do transactions here, and these are going to count for the airdrop. But here I will share with you the link to doom.com. This is a place where you can get a lot of statistics, and many people create charts and statistics about different things on the different blockchains. So I will share with you this link. So when you click this link from Doom, you are going to see this. This is from this user, Ibornik, and this is a layer 0 statistics. Here you can see, for example, the most important stuff, that from this color is only people that did from 1 to 4 transactions. This is almost 770,000 people or users or wallets, like you want to call it. Let's call it wallets because maybe it's not users. More than a half only did from 1 to 4 transactions on layer 0. Then we have the purple color, which is from 5 to 10. And then we have 11 to 20 on gray. And you can see here more than 21 transactions, only 94,000 users or wallets. So these are great statistics, because knowing this, you know that if you do 22 transactions in the different protocols for layer 0 that you can find here on my tutorial for layer 0 airdrop, then you are going to be probably in the 5% of the people for this airdrop. So really, I have in some wallets like 80 transactions in layer 0. This is very important information when you work airdrops. It's not just go and do the step-by-steps. And this information is in my Discord. We are managing high level of information there. So go to my subscriptions, check here, are very cheap. I'm going to increase the prices because I really don't want to be a Discord where thousands of people, so we can keep clean and clear information. So I'm going to raise the prices very soon. Still, you can enter with the prices that we have right now, which are really cheap. And now that you know that only 10% or less have 21 transactions or more on layer 0, you can search your own wallets if you are using your airdrops here and see how many transactions you have. For example, I'm going to search here a wallet, and once you see the wallet, you're going to see, for example, here, this is the address, and you can see that I have in this 53 transactions. So this is great because you can follow your airdrop wallet and check exactly how many transactions are you doing for layer 0. Dune.com is a very great place for many things, but specifically this link is going to help you to understand how are you positioning yourself for the layer 0 airdrop. That could be like Arbitrum, or in that aspect, a very big airdrop. Now, sorry that I took too much time on that, but I think it's really important and give you some information of what we manage in the Discord. So you can check that there in Dune.com. And layer 0, we have Stargate to do transactions there, besides many other protocols that you can see here on my video. Now in position 3 we have MetaMask. Yes guys, MetaMask Bridge, and I am sure that many of you airdrop hunters, you don't use the MetaMask Bridge. MetaMask is not only a decentralized wallet, the most popular one. You can swap and you can bridge. Actually, you can stake also in MetaMask. You may be not familiar with all those functions because you're a lazy airdrop hunter. So yes guys, I covered a possible airdrop for MetaMask. Many influencers are thinking the same that I. At some point they are going to launch a token and they probably are going to do an airdrop. So do you think they are going to give the airdrop only the people that use the wallet and transfer funds, or people that actually use all the functions of the MetaMask wallet, which are bridge and swap and stake? I think you really need to do some bridges if you're not doing it. Here you have the links to my tutorial on the airdrop of MetaMask. It's really easy to do. And to this tutorial you can now use the bridge also. So for using the bridge, you need to open your MetaMask on the same place that you always click here, and you can click here on bridge. This is going to open the application in the web page on a complete form. So you connect your MetaMask and that's it. You are here already on the MetaMask application, on the portfolio.metamask.io/bridge. Here you have the swap, you can buy directly tokens, you can stake, you have a watch list and more stuff. So from here you can select the different network, from what network to what network do you want to use it. And you just select the token. It's really easy. There's not many tokens, so it's a pretty basic bridge, but I recommend you to use it and do some transactions here too, in order to participate to the MetaMask airdrop, besides the things that I mentioned in this video. In position 4 is a Slingshot. I really like this application. This bridge works really quick and works really well. So I also covered this project in the past. This was already in December and they didn't launch the token yet. So you can see here how to participate on Slingshot. It's a multi-chain swap. They also have a couple of more things like NFTs. And in Slingshot you also can swap. So you can select not only to use the bridge functionality, which is also basic with Ethereum, some layer 2 and Polygon and BNB, and works really quickly. I use this bridge a lot sometimes, but also you can swap, so that is cool. I really like to be able to swap and bridge on the same place really quickly. So that is why sometimes NordVPN, for example, you only can bridge, but here sometimes you need to do some swaps, or maybe you don't have for gas fees, so you can go here, swap some tokens, and then you can bridge. Also, you can see your portfolio here, and you have market information from the tokens, and you have the NFT section. So this is a really complete suite for bridge, swap, and many other things. I think they really need to launch the token, and it's going to be amazing. So you can check my video from Slingshot, still valid. Add the bridge functionality, everything that you can do here is going to be awesome for the possible airdrop. And the fifth is Banshee. We are familiar probably with Banshee Exchange. I also covered Banshee. I was not remember that in January. So you have the step-by-steps on everything that you can do here. I would recommend you to go to the Discord of these projects also and check there if there are more stuff that you need to do, because I didn't do an update on each of these projects. But Banshee also works really nice. It's very easy to use, and they have a couple of more networks than many other. For example, Gnosis, you can see it here. They have Aurora too. I don't use it, but again, they have a couple of more, and also works really well. So Banshee is another bridge that we are waiting for a token, and it's in my top 5 list. And those guys are my 5 bridges that I am using right now. Of course, there are more. So if you want me to cover any other bridge project that doesn't have a token, but you really use it and you trust it, put your comments below. I will appreciate a lot if you help me to understand and to expand my horizon on the different bridges on the crypto space, because there are hundreds, guys. Of course, I am only listing these 5 that I regularly use it, and I am really expecting an airdrop for these projects. But besides these 5, I will also comment some others. So, for example, other mentions are in this video, because some time ago I did a similar video to this, some best bridges airdrops, and here we have Upchain Hub, we have also Beam Bridge, Satellite, and we have Transfer 2. So there are a couple others that you can check here. There is a top 8 here, so you can check those. Are also bridges that I use it. But again, put your comments below if you think that I'm missing any very good bridge, or just put the bridges that you use. And of course, guys, you will mention me now, why don't you put in your list Celer network, where Celer is a very great bridge, but they already have a token, so that is why it's not in this list. Right now the token is in position 263, and Celer is a big bridge, works really nice, and you have many networks to bridge, many networks that you will not be able to do it in any other bridge. So Celer is a great project. If you are not into airdrops and just for bridge, I'd recommend you to use the C bridge of Celer. And the same situation, guys, is happening with another big bridge protocol, which is Multichain. Multichain has also a token, so that is why it's not in my list, but you can go to Multichain and they have really a big list of chains and tokens, so you can select any token and here any chain that you want. It's a great protocol too, and they are in position 200, only 100 million tokens of supply there, of total supply, so price is at 8.33. It could be a really good investment for a bull run. But again, these two, for example, Celer and Multichain, already launched a token, so that is why I'm not really using it. Guys, that will be all for this video. So doing a recap, the best bridges to get an airdrop are Orbiter, that I already covered it. The second one is Stargate. It's going to help you to get the layer 0 airdrop. The third position is for MetaMask. They have a bridge. You probably are not using it enough, so I recommend you to do some bridge on MetaMask. Fourth is a Slingshot. This is a really good protocol where you also can swap and do more stuff with NFTs and portfolio. And in position 5, we have Banshee. Banshee is also a great bridge protocol. I have a video, so there are some other mentions here on position 6 for another bridge protocols. like ChainHop, Beambridge, Satellite, and Transfer2. So those are also another protocols that could drop an airdrop soon. And if you like this video, guys, you will love my subscriptions. My Discord is a great place if you are an airdrop hunter, even if you are starting or if you have a lot of experience. We have many different channels according to your skills and your level. And I'm doing giveaways. This next Friday I'm doing a giveaway to my users on Discord. So maybe you pay your subscription, but then in one of those internal giveaways you are going to get your money back. And also you have my application that many of my users use it, the app. I would say like more than half of my Discord members have the application and they are really happy with it. And of course I am making more updates slowly, but working on more updates. Guys, that will be all for this amazing video, the best bridges for an airdrop right now. If you liked the video, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and follow me in Twitter at CryptoCState. Many things that I put in my Discord. Sometimes I put some couple of things in the Twitter, but are not in the YouTube channel. So follow me at CryptoCState in Twitter. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.